Welcome to this demo of the MyDeck proof of concept. In this walkthrough, we'll show how the platform captures meaningful assessment data while children interact with simple, engaging digital activities. Each interaction generates signals that help us understand a child's learning style and areas of development. This information moves through our machine learning pipeline, where it is analyzed to create an initial developmental profile. The broader goal behind MyDeck is to provide personalized toy and game recommendations that genuinely support each child's growth. In this version, the platform focuses on in-game assessments. These assessments generate performance scores that map to developmental areas like working memory, reasoning, attention, creativity, language, and motor executive skills. Here, you can see an example set of assessment games available to the child. The system currently includes activities like memory match, pattern finder, shape sorter, and color memory. Each activity is designed to test a specific cognitive or motor skill in an engaging, play-based format. Let's begin with the memory match activity. In this game, the child is shown a set of cards and needs to remember where each one is placed before turning them over to find matching pairs. As the child plays, the system carefully tracks several performance indicators, including reaction time, number of attempts, accuracy, and how consistently the child is able to recall card positions. These interaction patterns give us a rich view of how the child processes, stores, and retrieves information. They also help highlight behaviors such as sustained focus, short-term memory capacity, and the ability to manage multiple pieces of visual information at once. Together, these signals form the foundation for measuring working memory and attention span within the MyDeck assessment framework. Once the activity ends, the child can choose other assessments. Each of these games contributes a different data point to the overall developmental mapping. Next, we move on to the pattern finder activity. In this game, the child is shown a sequence of shapes, colors, or symbols that follow a specific rule. Their task is to observe the sequence, understand the pattern behind it, and choose the correct continuation from the options provided. Although the interaction is simple, it reveals how the child analyzes information. The system tracks how quickly they recognize the pattern, whether they experiment with different possibilities, and how consistently they pick the right answer. These observations help us assess logical sequencing, visual discrimination, and overall reasoning ability. Together, the insights from Pattern Finder add valuable detail to the child's cognitive profile. Shape sorter is another example of an activity that helps measure a child's spatial reasoning and cognitive flexibility. In this task, the child is presented with a set of shapes and is asked to match each one to its correct slot or outline. As they play, the system tracks accuracy, the number of adjustments they make, and how quickly they identify the right placement. These interactions offer insight into fine motor coordination, visual spatial processing, and the child's ability to adapt and organize information efficiently. The combined insights from all the assessment activities feed directly into our recommendation engine. Here, you can see the skill assessment dashboard generated by the MyDeck proprietary developmental model. This dashboard displays a detailed breakdown of a child's performance across key developmental dimensions, including working memory, reasoning, attention, creativity, language, and motor executive skills. Each score is standardized so that parents and educators can understand a child's strengths, emerging challenges, and areas that may benefit from additional practice. Over time, the dashboard also tracks progress across all 6 developmental dimensions, allowing families to monitor growth through repeated play sessions. These structured insights are available through our API layer, which exposes endpoints for toy recommendations, developmental scoring, and game skill mapping. Based on the child's developmental profile, MyDeck generates a personalized list of play tools, toys, and learning activities that align with their specific needs and strengths. Each recommendation highlights the primary skill it supports, whether it's memory, reasoning, language, creativity, attention, or motor development, so parents can easily understand why it was suggested. Parents can also explore these options in more detail by applying filters for skill focus, age range, learning goals, or the type of play experience they prefer. This helps them discover not just what is suitable, but what is truly the best next step for their child's growth. The API documentation displayed here shows how toy recommendations, developmental scores, and game-to-skill mappings are exposed as structured endpoints for integration. These APIs enable partner platforms and schools to access a child's assessment profile and build personalized learning experiences on top of the MyDeck engine. To bootstrap the scoring pipeline, our initial machine learning model is based on an open-source in-game assessment framework. We are now enhancing this with MyDeck-specific questionnaires, refined assessment logic, and developmentally aligned scoring models. These updates will improve the accuracy of our scoring system and the quality of recommendations we deliver. Thank you for your time and interest.